Hello, welcome. We are covering the subject compressible fluid flow for civil services based IFS and GATE aerospace exams. So we have covered some theory part and now we'll solve the question again. So the next question is, or the first question after the theory is, consider the low speed flow of air over an airplane wing at standard sea level condition. P is equal to 1.01 bar, rho is equal to 1.225 kilogram per meter cube. The free stream velocity far ahead of the wing is 50 meter per second, and the flow accelerates over the wing, reaching a maximum velocity of 75 meter per second at some point on the wing. What is percentage change of pressure between this point and free stream? Assuming first incompressible flow, second compressible flow. So if we assume incompressible flow, it means density is same of on the free stream as well as on the wing. So we can apply Bernoulli's equation, and keeping Z1 or levels of wing and free stream same, um, we have the Bernoulli equation P1 plus by rho g plus V1 square by 2g. If level is different, here Z1 plus Z1 should be there, is equal to rho 2 plus rho 2 by rho g, sorry, P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. Z1 and Z2 are level are same, so Z1 and Z2 will be cancelled out. So the equation will be P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g is equal to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g. Okay, so now we have value of P1, we have value of rho density, initial density is there 1.25 and it is same, so we'll keep it same. G will cancel out, initial velocity is 50 meter per second and final velocity is 75, so P1 minus P2 is equal to this. Okay, 1.225 by 2, 75 square minus 50 square, or if we divide it by P1, P1 minus P2 by P1, it will come out as 0.01895 or 1.895%. If we assume compressible flow, then this Bernoulli's equation is not valid. Now we have to apply the momentum equation as well as continuity equation. So momentum equation is P1 plus rho 1 V1 square is equal to P2 plus rho 2 V2 square, and continuity equation is rho 1 V1 is equal to rho 2 V2. So the difference between the momentum equation and the Bernoulli equation is, so here V1 square by 2 is there, however density is constant, but here the difference is V1 by 2 square, and here it is V1 square by 2 square. Okay, and if we G is same, we multiply the whole by rho also, then it will be rho V1 square by 2 here, and but here rho 1 V1 square, so that is the way to remember, or you should remember this. Okay, to avoid mistakes, here 2 is not there. Okay, so now initial density is given, that is 1.225, initial velocity is given, final velocity 75, so rho 2 will come out as 0.8166 kilogram per meter cube, and P1 minus P2 is this quantity. Okay, so dividing by P1 we can get the fraction and multiplying by 100, the percentage change in pressure is 1.52%, and here assuming, this is assuming compressible flow and this is by assuming incompressible flow.